Back to Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures in Chicago. All right, here's your chance to talk about those meats that you referenced in the top half. What do you think?
Well, the live cattle has kind of surprised us here in today's session. We thought with the weekly export data that we saw this morning, which was disappointing, coupled with the outside markets rolling over yesterday afternoon and again this morning, that would probably pressure things out of the gate for the cattle complex. But I think live cattle kind of holding their own near 151, which is really the 50% retracement, or basically the middle of the range from the recent breakout point above the 100-day moving average, which is just at 148. Got up to 154. We back tested 50% of that and holding well and brushing off a lot of negative news from the outside market. So I do think that is encouraging. A break and close below 151, that would probably neutralize our friendly bias here in the near term. But I think overall it looks pretty constructive, and the cash market has been able to shrug off a lot of uncertainty in the outside markets as well, which is a bright spot, certainly.
Yeah, when it comes to the cattle, I have a hard time not getting bullish. Things look constructive, but I have to remind myself about what happened in cotton before I get too out over my skis, right? Because that was going to be a short crop as well, and it is a short crop, and we were trading 150, and we almost just had a 60 handle in front of that one. So yeah, I have to be careful about getting too excited. You know what I mean?
I know exactly what you mean, and it's just kind of one of those things with cotton where everybody thought the exact same thing, and unfortunately, not everybody can be right in these markets.